It's said that a goldfish has a 3-second memory. This in reality is completely untrue. Misconceptions are commonly accepted views or opinions that are based on factual inaccuracies. Here's another one. They say there are two types of people. There are those who are only concerned with how things look, that the form and aesthetics are the key indicators of design success. Then there are those who are only concerned with pure functionality. How does it work? How is it put together? How does it perform? We at Bolon believe there's a third type of person. This type of person inherently understands you can't have one without the other. Something is never truly beautiful unless it works perfectly. And something can never be totally functional unless its form has had every detail considered. They are intertwined like strands of DNA. It's this thinking that has been a part of our DNA since we first opened our doors and our minds in Stockholm over 70 years ago. And we've collaborated with some of the design world's most forward-thinking mavericks to create a vast range to suit the broadest spectrum of tastes. This has evolved in conjunction with some of the most advanced technological innovations to create surfaces that are as remarkable to look at as they are to walk on. We believe beauty isn't just the surface. Truly beautiful design is woven into every yarn that results in a high level of performance in every product we make. Our design, R&D and production departments work seamlessly under the same roof, challenging each other, pushing each other to achieve the same goal. And why do we do this? What has driven us over these last 70 years? Is it our Swedish design mentality? Or is it because we believe that people who use our products feel the same way we do? Whether we're designing the most extraordinary spaces, or if we're the custodians of these functional environments, ultimately, we all want the same thing. Something that looks as good as it performs. Robust beauty, or beautifully robust. This is the connection that binds us. What we can be resolutely objective about is performance. The art we can debate. The science we can prove. We believe you can't have one without the other. Bolon. Even the science is beautiful when the design is in the performance.